Welding trials on material on Kenfield. This is the material here. We've got a clear and also a grey, because we've already done a weld on this one here, but we'll do another weld now. Fully down, please. Okay, press your buttons. You'll see it's welding now. Okay, let go of buttons, lift up. Move that particular out of the way. As you can see there, I'll send the samples across, but this is really nice welding here. And that size of that one there, where's that, if you can just measure up there. It's 20mm bar by 450. So it will do a 500 bar as well. But the weld is really good on this one here. Just look at the back. And this is a Depta. Obviously you've got different stage on here. We've got, for instance, your main screen, which is this one here. This gives you actually the power setting. I'll show you what I mean by that. Power setting is this one here. It sets, if I move it down 1 second, it's got a system for adjusting supervisor. So you can actually hold on there. Now I can show you this one. Power setting. This is your power setting. If I want to say move it down, for instance, when I go back to automatic, it will automatically bring that plates together to the right position. This is your operating power. Again, back to main screen again. Operating power you can set here, delay time if you need it, welding time, and power level. This is recipe databases. In effect, what you basically got, you've got lots of different initial power sets, so you can save this one here, and basically what happens, and you can actually then save different programs. Example, if I want to save another program here, I want to call it, say, test. Press enter, and I want to save this. It tells you, do you want to continue? Yes, I do. And when you go to the actual recipes, you can see there's a test on there as well now. So that's how you save your programs. That's your power setting, as I mentioned. Work graph is for really us as technicians. Service, this is actually giving you details of what the situation is there. The one good thing here, diagnostics, is that if, for instance, you've got a button, which is now, if I press a button here, there, you can see, and even if it's, say, the foot pedal operation, and you can see it's making the limit switch there. So it's got a little bit of feature for fault finding as well. It's got alarm statistics, but generally speaking, your normal work from that particular screen here. See anode meter here, obviously pressure sensor or pressure adjustment here. Push buttons, and also reset system. If, for instance, if it kills the machine here, the machine won't work until you actually press that. That brings the actual machine back up to 5. Now on this side, isolator, of course, and you've got power stage level 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Typically it's a 4 kilowatt machine, so initially that's no power. Really, if you're doing blister pattern, hot welding. 1 is like a 1.5 kilowatt machine. 2 is like a 2.5 kilowatt machine, and 3 is your full 4 kilowatt machine. Inside the actual unit here, you can see the electronics, auto-tuning system here. Very nice machine. We've sold lots and lots of these machines in the marketplace in different areas.